AMD today announced the next generation of its desktop graphics cards. The company today revealed two new flagship products, the Radeon RX 7900 XTX and the RX 7900 XT. Based on the new RDNA 3 architecture, the new 7000 series GPU from AMD are the world's first to have a chiplet-based design. The GPU die has two main components, the graphics compute die or the GCD and the memory cache die or the MCD. The GCD is built using the new 5nm manufacturing process while the MCD uses the older 6nm process. The switch to a chiplet-based design allows AMD to mix and match parts for different configurations. It also lets them use different manufacturing processes for each component. The smaller parts also have better yields than making a single large monolithic die, which helps the company manufacture these parts cheaply and efficiently. Looking at the new GCD, it features the new RDNA 3 compute units, new display engine, and a new dual media engine. Each compute unit has 1.5x VGPR, vector general purpose register, 64 dual-issue stream processors with 2x instruction issue rate, 2x AI accelerators with 2.7x performance, and 2nd-gen RT accelerator with 50% more performance per CU. The new MCD has 64-bit memory controller and 2nd general infinity cache for 2.7x peak memory bandwidth. Now getting to the cards, the RX 7900 XTX has 96 compute units, 2.3 GHz game clock, 24 GB GDDR6 384-bit memory with 96 MB infinity cache, and a 355 watts board power limit that can be powered by two 8-pin connectors. Meanwhile, the 7900 XT has 84 compute units, 2.0 GHz game clock, 20 GB GDDR6 320-bit memory with 80 MB infinity cache, and a 300 watts board power limit. Both cards support the new DisplayPort 2.1 standard limited to the intermediary UHBR 13.5 bandwidth of 54 gigabits per second, as well as a new media engine with simultaneous encode/decode for AVC/HEVC and 8K 60AV1 encode/decode. AMD had surprisingly few first-party benchmark scores to show this time around. The 7900 XTX is claimed to be up to 1.7x faster in pure rasterization and up to 1.6x faster in ray tracing at 4K compared to the 6950 XT. No numbers were provided against the competition or for the 7900 XT. The 7900 XTX is priced at $999 and the 7900 XT is priced at $899. They will be available December 13th. For more information check the description below. If you like this video then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.